El Camino de la Hiena. In the land of Obodo, where rivers sparkled and hills rolled endlessly, lived Koriko, a young hyena and the only child of Elder Obodo, the wise ruler of the land. When Elder Obodo passed away, the city mourned, but their grief soon turned into whispers of rejection. A hyena cannot rule us, the people said. These murmurs grew into loud accusations until Koriko was banished from her own city. Stripped of her home and honor, Koriko wandered the wilderness. She ate scraps and drank from streams, her body growing frail. One night, beneath the stars, she cried, "Why have the gods abandoned me?" But the wind whispered a name, Ajubulu Awo, the great diviner. With her remaining strength, Koriko sought him out. The diviner's wisdom. Koriko arrived at Ajubulu Awo's hut, its walls lined with sacred objects. The diviner greeted her with a calm smile and said, "Eni to bafe koran re yanju, ki ogbebo wa." Whoever desires their troubles resolved must bring an offering. Koriko bowed her head. "I have nothing but my desperation." Ajubulu, moved by her sincerity, began the sacred divination. He cast palm nuts into a divining tray and read the signs, chanting softly, "Orunmila yo to'o, sugbon ogbodo seto ebore." Orunmila will guide you, but you must prepare your offering. He revealed her path. Koriko, prepare an ebo, 3 arrows painted white and red, ofa meta, and an old rooster. Go to the river, fire the arrows, and await the outcome. The ritual at the river Koriko painted the arrows, white for purity, red for sacrifice. She traded her last possession for an old rooster and journeyed to the river at dawn. Kneeling by the water, she prayed, "Orunmila, openifun, o, je ki ofa na to misoju ogun, ki ibukun mi de." Orunmila, I give thanks to you. Let these arrows guide me through the battlefield that my blessings may come. She released the arrows one by one. The first 2 disappeared into the water. The third struck a massive unicorn drinking from the river. The mythical creature with shimmering silver skin collapsed. The struggle for credit news of the slain unicorn spread, and elites, hunters, and farmers rushed to claim credit. They argued before the people, weaving lies to steal Koriko's achievement. But Ajubulu Awo intervened, holding up the painted arrows as proof. "Oro idajo kogbo nkantiko to," he declared. Justice does not listen to falsehood. The truth prevailed, and the people reluctantly offered Koriko reparations, food, clothing, and silver. Elegba's whisper. As Koriko stood before the crowd, contemplating their offerings, a warm breeze carried the voice of Elegba, the guardian of crossroads. Koriko, do not settle for their scraps. Demand what is truly yours, for their deceit knows no limits. Inspired, Koriko raised her head and spoke, "Eku temisile, sugbon olorun kog balati rimisika, emi yoag ba ohunti oje temini kikun." You abandoned me, but the gods did not allow me to perish. I will claim all that is rightfully mine. Orunmila's judgment. The elites sought Orunmila asking, "How much longer must we pay her?" The oracle replied, "Yani owon bakan na ni idayo ya, fi itiju Koriko ni oye aye re, nigbana ni ese yin yo apare." As dishonor was given to her, so must honor now be given. Restore her title as queen, and your debt will be paid. Realizing their mistake, the people crowned Koriko queen, the reign of Queen Koriko. In a grand ceremony, Koriko ascended the throne, adorned in robes of gold and emerald. She addressed her people, "Eku dari mi, o si yeki amafi otito se oro nik bogbo ikba." You have wronged me, but you are forgiven. Let truth guide our actions always. Under her rule, Obodo flourished. Her story became a symbol of resilience and the triumph of justice. Themes in Koriko's journey: rejection and redemption. Koriko's exile represents societal rejection, while her return as queen signifies triumph and restored dignity. Divination and obedience. Ajubulu's guidance through Ifa highlights the importance of faith and divine wisdom. justice and truth. The elite's lies symbolize inequality, but divine intervention ensures justice prevails. Empowerment through divine support. Elegba's encouragement empowers Koriko to fight for her rightful place. Symbolism of the unicorn. The unicorn represents overwhelming obstacles overcome through sacrifice and faith. The arrows and colors. The white and red arrows symbolize balance, purity, and sacrifice leading to victory. Koriko's journey, from rejection to redemption, became a timeless tale of perseverance and divine justice. Her reign ensured that truth and faith would guide Obodo for generations.